Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming fabric and doing a spot test. This prevents damage. Once done, lay the net flat and trim loose glue gently with a blunt tool so you don't tear fibers. Apply a small dab of isopropyl alcohol to the tested area using a cotton swab. This softens many adhesives without weakening synthetic knits. Make sure to blot, not rub, so glue lifts away from threads. Keep a clean cloth nearby to catch dissolved residue as you work. Once the solvent has had time to penetrate, you want to gently coax the glue away from the net. Use a soft bristled brush and stroke in the direction of the weave. This reduces snagging and preserves mesh integrity. If pieces remain, apply a second short soak, wait, then lift softened fragments with tweezers or the blunt tool. Make sure to alternate solvent and blotting so you remove dissolved adhesive instead of spreading it. Rinse the area lightly with diluted detergent to cut solvent residue. You finish by thoroughly rinsing the treated area with cool water and a mild detergent to remove solvent traces. Then lay the net flat to air dry away from direct sun. If you still see sticky residue, apply gentle heat with a hair dryer on low to re-soften the glue, then blot with solvent and a cloth. Always test first. If the mesh pulled or puckered, pin it flat while damp and steam lightly to relax fibers and restore the original shape. That usually corrects minor distortions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.